everyone, April Davis here with April Davis Creations. Today is day 12 of my 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar series. I'm so sad. 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar. Today is day 12. So today will be my last day to share with you from this particular product. But we're going to show you what was behind door 12. And like every other day that we've done that, I'm going to share with you the card that I created with that product that was behind door 12. So let's go ahead and get this opened. All the doors are empty except for day 12. So let's open door 12. And we have, I'm going to call these, if I can get them out, I'm going to call these, they could be ephemera, but I think they're more like die cuts. And so let me open these up. And then we've got some embossed pieces as well. So I'm going to pull this out so that I can show you more in detail what's in here. So first off, we've got different sheets of basic white. These are little flower, I don't know if you guys can see, I'm going to tilt them so you can see, but like little flowers here, and then we've got some additional flowers here. So you can utilize these for backgrounds on your card. So you've got these, and then you have a set of, I'm gonna again call them die cuts and or ephemera. Very, very delicate, so pretty. You've got leaves, you've got wreaths of flowers, you've got the circles that you can adhere your wreaths to. You've got additional leaves, you've got more flowers like tulips, a lot of these. And what's fun about this is they're all in white, but you can take your inks and your blending brushes, or for example, the brush that came in this kit, and you can color these up. Now I'm going to share with you the card that I made, and I love the tone on tone color. And I think white is such an elegant color that the card that I made for this particular door, day 12, door 12, is this one. And basically what I did is I took our brick embossing folder and I embossed one layer with the brick, and then I cut a second layer to kind of highlight my circle and the wreath. I used the wreath down here for that. I decided to keep them white, and I just think it's so elegant. But I did take crumb cake and I stamped the center utilizing our stamps that came with the kit for someone extra special. And then for a little bit of bling, I used the gold embellishments that we had gotten from an earlier day. But look how pretty that is. Let me bring it up a little bit closer so you guys can see. Just very sweet, very elegant, and I utilized these pieces, but I've got plenty of pieces left to be able to create even more and incorporate my embossed pieces as well. So this is day number 12. If you like this card and you're interested in the tutorial for all 12 of the projects that I created for this 12 days of crafting advent calendar, you can purchase the 12 days of crafting advent calendar through my online store, and you can get to it through aprildaviscreations.com. When you purchase it, I will send you as my thank you the tutorial for absolutely free. Includes all 12 projects, all 12 of the cards that I've shared with you across these 12 days. If you already have the 12 days of crafting advent calendar and are interested in the tutorial, you can certainly purchase the tutorial through my PDF store. Again, go to aprildaviscreations.com. So this wraps it up. This was such a fun project. I loved this advent calendar and all the fun items that came behind each door. I had a blast figuring out how to utilize them, but even more so, I had so much more fun because they built on each other. So what I found behind door number 1, I used in door number 2 and those projects, and we get to door number 12 and I'm still utilizing items that came in previous doors. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to the next projects and the next series so that I can be back with you guys again. Take care. Bye.